Think about the miracles of your eyes, which enable you to see the face of your loved ones and friends. Read printed books, newspaper and emails, watch television, see the beauty of nature, and most importantly, see your way through life. Just put a blindfold for an hour and try to do what you normally do, and you will appreciate your eyes. So, thank you for my eyes that enables me to see everything. Think about your ears, which enables you to hear your own voice and others people's voice, so you can talk to people. Without ears and your sense of hearing, you couldn't use a phone, hear music, listen to the radio, hear your loved ones talk, or hear any of the sound of the world around you. Say, thank you for my hearing. And to use any of your senses would be impossible without your brain, which processes over 1,000,000 messages a second through all over your sense. It is actually your brain that enables you to sense and experience life, and there is no computer technology in the world that can duplicate it. Say, thank you for my brain and my beautiful mind. Think about the trillions of cells working unceasingly 24/7 for your health, body, and life. Say, thank you, cells. Think about your life-sustaining organs, which are continuously filtering, clearing, and renewing everything in your body. And think about the fact that do all their work automatically without you even having to think about it. Say, thank you, organs, for working perfectly. But more miraculous than any sense, system, function, or other organ in our body is the organ of our heart. Your heart governs the life of every other's organ, because it's your heart that keeps the life flowing to every system in your body. Say, thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Next, take a piece of paper or a card and write on it big, bold letters. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Take the card with you today and put it in a place where you know you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you are a driver, put it in a place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you are at home most of the time, you can put it where you wash your hands and near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written often. Today, on at least 4 separate occasions, when you see the words, read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health. Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used to conjunction with conventional medical treatments, you would see a health revolution and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before. Magic practice number 4. Magical health. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of the magic practice. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. Second, on a piece of paper or a card, write the words, the gift of health is keeping me alive. Third, place the piece of paper with your written words where you know you will see it often today. Fourth, on at least 4 occasions, read the words very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.